Okay, hi guys. You may be wondering why I am so happy that my hair is back. It's simply because a year ago, I booked umsebenzi to Sibongile, ne? And when I booked the job, they told me that they want to do something different with my hair. And then when I got to work for the makeup check, they were like, actually, we want to cut your hair because it's Sibongile wasexopo, and we just want to give her that natural look. And so I sacrificed my hair a year ago. Yep, yeah, I cut down my dreadlocks for the job. I don't regret it. It was all worth it. And you may be asking yourself, it's simply because I got my hair when I was 5. I got my dressing at 5 years of age, and I had to cut them off like what 10, 11, 12 years later, so yeah, guys, I am sorry.
Welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Celebrity Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ke nge-celebrity lethu ke uLuyanda Zwane obedlala ke indawo kaSibongile kuSibongile and the Dlaminis. On this video guys, she was just sharing with us njengama challenges ababhekana nawo uma ngabe ke beqala ke bedlala ama characters abawadlalayo, njengoba echaza ukuthi ke kwathiwa ke ama dread pants intombazane i-character ozoyidlala la i-character yentombazane yaseXhobo, intombazane yasemakhaya. So ke nawe you must meet the requirement of the character. So kwafanele ukuthi guys ke agunde ke ama-dread akhe, nokuyinto athi yayinzima kakhulu njengoba ke elokhu aba nama-dread eno 5 years yena no twin sister wakhe. So guys nawagunda u-twin sister wakhe waqhubeka waba nama-dread, so kwangasathwiniki ke kahle. Uyabona ama-twins ayathanda ukuthi ke omunye megqoka into efana nomunye yabo bafane nje, uyabo. But ke manje njengoba eseshile kulomdlalo esebuyele ku eseshile kulomdlalo Sibongile Dlamini esebuyele kuwona ama-dread akhe, guys, season 2 kaSibongile and the Dlamini izoqala ngomhla ka-29 July 2024, and uLuyanda Zwane won't be part of it. Sesizoba ke noSibongile omusha sha, nesithemba ukuthi guys nizomnika ke naye ithuba to prove herself as much as kwi-character eyodwa, but ke abantu ke bahlukene. So guys, let's give her a chance to prove herself. Simfisela ke amandla ahlaza naye ke uLuyanda Zwane, futhi siyabonga nanokuthi ke she introduce us to this beautiful character nguSibongile laphana ke kuSibongile and the Dlamini. That bring us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion ngalama changes ke sizobona ke kulo mdlalo. Bye.